Whether it's because of a dairy allergy, lactose intolerance, a cholesterol number your doctor keeps circling, or simply a choice to eat less dairy. Whatever your reason may be, you're here because you want the healthiest option available. The biggest non-dairy butter brands print a healthy oil on the front of the box, but only contain a tiny portion of it, mixed with other oils that wreck our health. The craziest thing I found while doing this research is that margarine, which is often considered extremely unhealthy due to it being highly processed and full of artificial additives, emulsifiers, and inflammatory oils, is very similar to a lot of the plant-based butters we see in the food aisles today. 7 plant-based butters, ranked worst to best, judged by one rule. The front is marketing, the back is the truth. Number 7. Imperial. The crown has been on this box since your grandmother's kitchen, but one word has quietly vanished from it. Margarine. Look closer, and another word is missing too. Butter. Imperial can legally use neither. The FDA requires margarine to be at least 80% fat, and Imperial sticks are only about half vegetable oil, so the label calls it what the law says it is: a vegetable oil spread. Now flip the box, because the first ingredient is not oil at all, it is water. Then palm, soybean, and palm kernel oils, emulsifiers, preservatives, and artificial flavor. That stick is water and refinery oil shaking hands. Tier F. Number 6. I can't believe it's not butter. The name is a confession with a smile on it. This is a 45% vegetable oil spread, water listed first, with soybean, palm kernel, and palm oil behind it, plus lactic acid and natural flavors doing the butter impression. And here's what's crazier. I can't believe It's Not Butter brand belongs in Flora Food Group. This company is the world's biggest margarine maker. Tier D. Another brand that is a part of Flora Food Group is next, and it is the best-selling trick in the aisle. Number 5. Country Crock Plant Butter. The box says olive oil or avocado oil over a rustic little farmhouse. The ingredient list says palm fruit, palm kernel, canola, and then, last of the 4, the oil on the front of the box. The namesake ingredient finishes dead last. At 11 grams of fat per tablespoon, this stick sits around 79% fat, 1 point below the legal margarine line, with USDA data putting palm kernel oil at roughly 86% saturated fatty acids, a higher share than dairy butter itself. The company has even faced a class action lawsuit arguing it's healthier than margarine framing misleads shoppers. Tier D. 5 brands in, the pattern is set: an oil blend, water, an emulsifier, natural flavor. From here up, the labels get cleaner with every single step. Number 4. Earth Balance. The health food aisle favorite, and to be fair, a genuinely useful vegan baking stick with no artificial preservatives on the current label. But flip it over. First ingredient, vegetable oil blend, and the first oil in that blend is palm, followed by canola, soybean, and flaxseed, then water, then soy protein. About 79% fat. That is margarine chemistry with better lighting. But here's the catch. At around $4 a pound, Earth Balance now costs more than store brand real dairy butter, which run for about $3.44. I'll rank this C tier. Quick pause before the trusted 3. Comment the spread sitting in your fridge right now and guess its tier, because the next brand is secretly owned by the villain of this entire story. Number 3. Violife. A paper-wrapped brick at around $3.50 and the cleanest budget label on this list. Coconut, sunflower, and canola oils, water, salt, sunflower lecithin, faba bean protein, natural flavor. No palm oil at all. Here is the twist. Violife belongs to Flora Food Group, the same margarine giant behind Country Crock. So why does it land on the trusted side? Because it proves the point of this video. When shoppers started reading labels, even the giant proved it could make a shorter, cleaner one. Reward the label, not the logo. This is B tier. The next brand is certified organic and cold pressed, and it earns its spot for what it admits, not what it hides. Number 2. Melt Organic. USDA certified organic and non-GMO project verified, built on expeller pressed coconut and sunflower oils, with vitamin E standing in for the usual preservative alphabet. Yes, there is palm fruit oil in here too, but notice the difference. It is labeled as certified sustainable and ethical sourcing, stated plainly instead of hidden inside a vague blend. That is what transparency looks like on a package, and after 7 brands of misdirection, plain speech starts to feel radical. Tier level, A, which leaves the winner, the only product on this list that is not trying to taste like butter. It is made like butter. Number 1. Miyoko's European-style cultured vegan butter. Organic coconut oil and cashew milk that is actually fermented with live cultures during production, then churned using traditional creamery methods. That tang is not from a flavor lab. It is fermentation, the same process that gives European butter its flavor. Palm-free, certified organic, a short label where every ingredient has a job. Full honesty. At $5 to $9 for a half pound depending on the store, it is easily the most expensive stick in this video. But here is the payoff. The best plant butter was never the famous one from the world's biggest margarine company. It is the small one that stopped copying butter's taste and started copying butter's process. This one is S tier. So here's the whole aisle in one line. Margarine did not die, it rebranded, and the back of the package is where the disguise falls apart. One thing to do on the next grocery run, read just the first 3 ingredients. If they say oil blend, water, emulsifier, that is margarine chemistry, despite what the front of the box says. If they say cultured or fermented, the word butter is finally being earned. Now, drop the brand in your fridge in the comments and call its tier before checking the label and see how close the guess lands.